Okay, for our next video exercise, we will be creating a surface based on these inserted points. So on how to do that, we can go directly to Home tab. We will go to Tool Space. Now in the Prospector tab, go to Surfaces. Okay, then right-click Surfaces, then Create Surface. Then from here, Name. This one will be the stock file. Okay, stock file. Okay, then for the style, so we'll just accept this one as default because we will just adjust this one later on. Apply. Okay. So now you have created a surface, but there's no data on this surface. So on how to add this one, add these points here in this stock file surface. So go here in the drop down menu, here in the plus sign. Okay, here in the definition. Okay, here we will, the correct term here, we will define our stock file surface by our point groups. Okay, just right click here, point groups, then add. Then select all points. Okay. For now, for this example, we can use all points because there is only a top and bottom points consists of this all points. But if there is a lighting pole that is not to be considered as to be in the surface, so you cannot use this all points point groups. So you need to select a point group that for that group only, it will create our surface. Okay, for this example, we can use this one, all points, apply, then okay. Okay, so I guess we have created already the surface. We can select this one. So as you can see, this one is already the contour. But let's see if this one is in 3D. We can go here in the contextual tab, then go to Object Viewer. So I guess this is really Civil 3D, right? So because we have created the surface, we just inserted the points and do a surface. Automatically, it's in 3D. That's why it's called the Civil 3D, right? Okay. So what you have observed here, we have a unwanted surface in the middle and here on the side, right? So how to remove this one? So can we do a trim?
Yes.
Huh?
We need to like boundary.
So here in Civil 3D, we cannot use trim command. Okay. So also additional, we can save this photo. Okay, we have this option to save this one as JPEG, JPEG format. Okay, we can save this one by JPEG by this extension files. Okay, for this view. Okay, for this view you can save. Let's say here. So we will remove this unwanted surface. Okay, so but first I will turn off the top point so it will not be confusing. I will go here to Properties, then None, Apply. Okay, as you can, so that we can easily see our surface. So before we could remove this or we could trim this surface, we need to place first a boundary. Then as you can see here, we have our bottom points. This one is actually the boundary of this surface. So what we need to do now, we have the option also, we will use the transparent commands and we will draw a polyline. Okay, so first, I will change the label style of these bottom points to point number only. Apply. Okay. Then as you can see, the surveyor shot this area from this point, from point 1, counterclockwise on this direction. Okay? So from here, we have a good option now. We can use the polyline. We can use the polyline command here. Type PL, okay, polyline, and then we have the option in the transparent command that it will draw a polyline by point number range. Okay, we have this option, this one, the point number. Select this one. Okay, so here we will draw a polyline from point 1 to last point is point number 371. So here, point 1 to 371. Okay? Before we will press enter, we will let the view like this. Then select enter. As you can see, automatically, it will draw the polyline. But I guess it will do fatal error. Fatal error. Yun. Bigla pala nakuha. So I guess directly, automatically, it created full. Okay? So we have draw the polyline. So don't forget to save. So I guess we could use this polyline now. Okay, we will try. We'll select the surface again in the contextual tab. What again I told about the contextual tab? So it consists of function that you can edit that object or the label style. Okay, so here in the thin surface contextual tab, we have this add data. Then we can select this boundary. Then let's say this one will be the bottom. Okay, then we will select type of boundary is outer. Then set this one all to default. Select OK. Then select this polyline. Oh. So what's the problem? Is there a illegal self-intersect or non-closed boundary? So actually, the points, as you can see here, this one is our point 1. Okay, this one is our point 1. Sorry, this one is point 1. Okay, this one is point 1. Alright, that one is point 1. Then here is our last point. Is point 371. So it overlap, the polyline overlap. So that's why we have that problem. Okay, so just do a AutoCAD trim. Now this one will, you can use now the plain trim here. Okay. Select this one. Then escape. So now, I guess this one will work already. Select the surface again. Okay. Then go here to add data, then boundaries. Then now, this one will be stock file. BNBY. Okay, same outer. Select OK. Then select that polyline. Okay. So I guess that one is good. Then just save first. Save first before we go to Object Viewer. Now I guess we're good. Okay. So we'll replay for the video. And it's time for you to do this exercise.